Hey everyone, and welcome to the Mr. Alternative Crypto Network. We're going to be doing a bit of an update today on the whole crypto market. It is the 20th of June, 2022. As you know, there's been a substantial correction in the markets, to say the least. I mean, it is absolutely shocking out there, but you know, whenever there's blood on the streets, there is opportunity. And if you haven't made a start in crypto, now is the time to do it. Don't be waiting for it to get lower. Sure, you don't have to put all your money into it. If you've got a small amount of money, DCA in. What's DCA? Dollar cost averaging. Maybe put a bit in today, a bit in tomorrow. That way it'll average out the price for you. But don't be the fool to wait for it to keep going down, because once it starts going up, you're going to keep waiting for the drop. So what I mean by this is, as you can see on my screen, Bitcoin is currently at $20,067. Now, overnight, it dropped lower. There was a candle that came a lot lower into the 17,000s, which is scary stuff. This is what all the analysts were saying would happen. Basically, they were saying it would get to 20. There would be a wick, a candle that came straight down to a low point, and then people would start buying in. And that's exactly what happened. So if I show you on the charts here, you can see here. So basically, this is the price over the past, what are we looking at? It's a daily chart since the start of March. I'll get rid of that for you. So over here to the right, it was hanging around this range of 28,000 to 32,000 for pretty much a month, doing nothing. Then the Fed started to really ramp up the interest rate hikes, and you can see this massive dump down. It was hovering between this range here of 20,000 and 23,000 for a bit. And then if I zoom in a bit, you can see here, it literally overnight dumped. It dumped from this section here, 21,618, right down to 17,775. Now, folks, that is the opportunity, because it didn't last like that for long. As you can see, it came straight back up to around that 20,000 mark, and we're hovering between 19.5 and 20. Now, what do you do with this? Look, that's up to you, but you can't be waiting for it to continue to drop and drop and drop, because what's going to happen? The people who bought in here at 17.5, they deployed, say, 20% of what they had, they bought in. If it gets lower to, say, 15, they deploy another 25%. And if it gets lower than 15, it goes to, say, 13. They deploy another 25%. But if you keep waiting and don't deploy any money, what's going to happen is 17.5 seems like it's the low now. Now it's 20. Now people are thinking, oh, but I'll just wait for it to get down to 15 and then I'll deploy money. And then what happens? The price goes to 22 and they go, yeah, but it's just bounced a bit and it will go back down. And then all of a sudden what happens? It's 25. Oh no, it'll still come back down. All of a sudden it's 30. And then this is when people start panicking and they go, oh, wow, it's on the way up. And then it goes to 35, 40, and you've missed the boat entirely. So don't wait for the bottom. It's nearly impossible to hit the bottom. The fact of the matter is, in April here, you're looking at a $48,000 Bitcoin. That's in US dollars. And it came all the way to 17.5. What are we waiting for? Yes, there's bad news in the markets. That is the time to buy. It's not just crypto, it's the stock market, housing starting to implode as well. So guys, all I can say is let's get started on your journey. if you haven't made a start with crypto, you don't know much about it, you don't know how to get started, message me. I do one-on-one sessions, and I'll show you exactly what you need to get started, what platforms you need to download, and really give yourself freedom. Be your own bank. Don't rely on institutions. Crypto is the way of the future. There's no denying that. There's a reason why all these hedge funds, bank systems, governments are going into it. It's not going anywhere, but you need to make a start. So give me a buzz. You can message me, visit the YouTube page, Mr. Alternative Crypto Network, Facebook, there's Twitter, various ways to message me, but book in a session and we'll go over it with you. Everyone's got different budgets, but at some point you need to make a start, and there is literally not been a better time to start than right now. So guys, we'll end it there, and I hope to see you soon.